In our previous video, we have covered magnetic field, and magnetic field lines. Today we will discuss something different. Do you know one thing? In a current conductor, if current is flowing, in this condition, this wire can generate a magnetic field around it. So we are going to discuss this nature of conductor today. Needle of the compass deflects when a magnetic field is available there. In previous video we saw that when a compass comes to magnet, its needle shows some deflection. Similarly, when a compass is brought to a current conducting wire, it shows some deflection. It means a current carrying wire has some magnetic field. For the demonstration of this, we have an activity. We have a cardboard and a circuit like this. A straight wire is here given, which is vertically straight, and this wire is connected in a circuit. When the circuit is closed, a current flows in the wire. Ends of wire are represented by X and Y. Students, in case the current is flowing from X to Y direction, if we bring a compass near to the wire, put the compass here, the deflection of needle of compass will be in this direction. Means the compass will show north in this direction. Again, when the compass is here, the deflection will be in this direction. Means you can see compass is showing a circular path in clockwise direction, and the direction of magnetic field lines is continuously shown by means of these arrows. So for the practical demonstration, we have an activity here. If some iron filling is distributed on the cardboard, and when you close the path, when you on the switch, iron fillings are now arranged in a special manner, and according to this manner we get that iron fillings are arranged in form of concentric circles. A circle, and out of the circle again a circle is given, again a circle is given like this. Actually these circles represent the magnetic field lines. In case of the bar magnet, you got that magnetic field lines are closed or in the form of the closed loop, but in case of this wire, magnetic field lines are concentric circles. What if we increase the current here in the circuit? The radius of concentric circles now decreases. By means of a compass you can check it. It shows that by increasing the current we can enhance the intensity of magnetic field lines. When you increase the current, the deflection of the needle of the compass will be more, and in case you decrease the current, this time the deflection is less. And here deflection defines the radius of the circle. If deflection is more, the radius will be less and more circle will be near to the wire. This direction of magnetic field means north pointing direction is the direction of magnetic field lines. So this direction of magnetic field lines is represented by right hand thumb rule, according to which if we hold a straight current carrying wire in our right hand such that thumb points towards the direction of current, other fingers will wrap around the conductor. You know that. Do it. In our online classes we have discussed other fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of magnetic field line. You can see in previous condition when current was flowing in downward direction, this is the direction of magnetic field lines. Means magnetic field lines are now given in clockwise direction. Here you can see magnetic field lines are given in clockwise direction. So by means of this rule we can find direction of magnetic field lines in a straight current conductor. This rule is also called Maxwell's corkscrew rule. If we consider ourselves driving a corkscrew in the direction of the current, then the direction of the rotation of the corkscrew is direction of the magnetic field line. Generally, a corkscrew is given like this. Some threads are also available on its body. We have to provide clockwise rotation to fasten it in a valve, drive it in the valve. So we can say this screw moves in downward direction, which is being pointed out here, and we have to turn this screw in clockwise direction. This direction of screw moving to be fastened is the direction of current, and this rotation of corkscrew in clockwise direction will show the direction of magnetic field lines. These both rules represent the same thing, and animation is also attached in this video to express these two things: magnetic field due to a current through a straight wire and this right hand thumb rule.
Magnetic field around a straight conductor. Magnetic field around a straight conductor can be understood by the following activity. Take a flat cardboard and cover it with a white sheet of paper. In the middle of the cardboard, make a hole and through it pass a thick wire and connect the ends of the wire to a dry cell using connecting wires. Plot magnetic lines of force around the conductor with the help of plotting compass. It is observed that the lines of force are in the form of concentric circles. The direction of the lines of force will be clockwise. The experiment is repeated again, but now the current is passed in the opposite direction as shown in the figure. Then the lines of force will be in anti-clockwise direction. If the strength of the current is increased, then the number of lines of force around the conductor increases. This in turn increases the magnetic strength of the conductor. Right hand thumb rule. Imagine that you are holding the conductor in the palm of your right hand such that the thumb points in the direction of flow of current. Then the direction in which fingers curl around the conductor gives the direction of magnetic lines of force. Observe the given figure. Here the fingers are curling in an anti-clockwise direction while the thumb is pointing in the direction of the current. Therefore, the direction of magnetic lines of force is in anti-clockwise direction.